How to enable or disable voice mode in Claude AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to start a voice conversation and personalize the experience. First, open the Claude app on your Android device. From there, start or open any conversation and look for the sound wave or mic icon in the text field at the bottom. After that, tap it to activate voice mode. Claude will switch to listening mode and you can start speaking naturally, just like you would in a regular conversation. At this point, Claude will respond back to you with a spoken reply, making the whole interaction completely hands-free. Following this, when you're done, tap the icon again to stop voice mode and go back to typing as normal. If you want to personalize your voice experience, here's how to do that. From there, tap the gear icon to open settings and look for the voice section. After that, you'll find options to customize things like the voice Claude speaks in. Browse through the available voices and select whichever one feels most natural to you. At this stage, you can also adjust other voice preferences from this menu depending on what's available, such as speed or tone. Finally, once you've set everything up the way you like, head back to any conversation and tap the mic icon to start using voice mode with your updated settings. That's how you enable and personalize voice mode in Claude AI on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.